It's April 24th, 2019. Each time I walk by here, I'm kind of perplexed. There are 7 trees. They all look the same. They all have leaves on them. Great. I guess the leaves could be in better shape. 4 of the 7 trees have signs indicating this tree shall be removed and replaced, approved by the Seattle Dept of Transportation. So I wonder what the Seattle DOT has to do with the health of trees. Reason for removal: trees are in poor health. The figure will be replaced during the street improvement related to the development. Project contact Todd Rankin, T. Rankin at Intracore Foams, intracorphons.com. Seattle Department of Transportation Urban Forestry, contact Cindy Kozak at Seattle.gov. So I wonder why 4 of them have been selected for, oops, no battery. I wonder why 4 of them have been selected for removal, but not the other 3. That one there, and 2 of them down there. It doesn't make any sense to me.